How to set up welcome message with Dyno Bot. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can set up welcome message with Dyno Bot. The first thing you want to do is open your Discord app, then log into your account. Now head over to your server, then click on your server name. From here, select app directory. Then you want to search Dyno. From the search results, select Dyno and then click on Add Apps. Now click Trust the Links and select Visit Site. Choose your server from the drop-down, click Continue, then allow all permissions and then Authorize. Confirm Dyno is in your server. Then go back to Discord. Now you should see Dyno Bot added. Then return to your web browser, click Next, Next, and then Done. Now enable the Welcome module. For that, click on the Modules option. Here, search Welcome. Toggle on the Welcome option. Now click Settings. Now you will have to choose the message type. After that, click the drop down under Welcome Channel and pick the channel where the message will appear. Now go ahead and create your custom welcome message. You can use variables from the list below the message as well. Then click on the update option. Now whenever someone joins your server, Dyno will automatically send the welcome message. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.